Hi everyone, I am Dr. K.S.Rangasamy, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology, Tiruchengodu. So my subject is engineering drawing and the topic is projection of solids. In projection of solids, there are mainly two categories, that is group 1 and group 2. Then the solid having a top and base of the same shape, that is called the prism, and the group B, the solids and base same shape and just a point as a top is called as apex. Then there are two categories, prism and pyramid. So prism is a cylinder, square prism, panel prism, hexagon prism. In pyramid, cone, triangular pyramid, square pyramid, pentagonal pyramid and hexagon pyramid. In cube, a solid having a 6 square faces. In tetrahedron is the triangular faces of 4. The 4 triangular faces in this category. So mainly the solid having two categories, prism and pyramid. So in square pyramid, there are dimensional parameters of different solids. First one is the square pyramid. In square pyramid, there are mainly bottom and top edge. The bottom side is the base and the top side is the rectangular. Top side is the top face and the side one is the rectangular faces. The longer edge. Then corner is the longer edge. Then the corner of base, then edge of the base, then these are the main points of the square prism. Then square pyramid, the bottom side is the base and top side is the apex and side is the slant edge, then triangular faces, then edge of the base, then corner of the base. Then there are the cylinder is the only base side, then cone is the apex and bottom side is the base. In generator, the imaginary lines generating curved surface of cylinder and cone. This is the imaginary line of the generator. And then this is the truncated solid, that is the section of solids, the truncated solids, the top and the base not parallel. So base and the top and the parallel cut, that is a inclined to cutting surface, that is called the truncated surface. In this frustum solids, the base and the top surface is parallel, that is called the frustum of the surface. Then projection of solids is a different position of these solids, that is inclined to sides, that is the axis perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. The axis position is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, and the axis is inclined to HP and to parallel to VP, and the axis is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. While the observing the front view, XY lines represent the horizontal plane. XY line is the horizontal plane, and this XY line is the vertical plane. Okay, in this position, the top view, the axis perpendicular to VP. The axis is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Then axis inclined to VP and parallel to HP. And the axis lying on VP. On the generator is lying on VP. The axis inclined to VP and parallel to HP. This is the position of the projection of solids in object, any object. So now we are going to simple problem. So draw the projection of a pentagonal prism, a base 25 mm, side and axis 50 mm long, resting on one of its rectangular faces on the HP, with the axis inclined at 45 degree to the VP. So now you draw one XY line. So draw the X and Y line. This is baseline. Then draw the pentagonal surface. Okay, first you draw this horizontal line and then you draw the 72-degree inclined line at the side of 25 millimeter. And again you draw this line that is inclined to 72 degree. Then this point 25 millimeter height. Then you take the compass and measure the 25 millimeter. So fix this point and arc it, and again fix this point, this 3 point, then arc it. Then now join this line. So you create the pentagonal surface. Okay. Then you draw the top view. In top view, the rectangular surface. Then the height is 50 millimeter, and see in top view this position. Then first you draw the center object, that is 2B dash line. Then you draw this 5 and 4th line, that is the dotted line. Okay, see from the top, this and the 4th and the 5th point is invisible. So invisible, visible. So you draw this dotted line. So then you draw the dotted lines. Then mark the point A, B, C, D and E. In bottom side you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mark it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a simple position method. Then you go to change of position method. First you draw the inclined line at 45 degree to BP. Inclined line at the angle of 45 degree line. Then you draw this position of this rectangular view into this position. Then you mark A, B, C and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you draw all the points, you measure, draw the vertical lines. You draw the vertical line. Okay, this is A to A dash, A1, B to B dash, B1, C to C dash, C1, D to D dash, D1, E to E dash, E1. Then from bottom line you draw 1 to 1 dash, that is 1, 1, 2 to 2 dash, that is called 2, 1, then 3 to 3 dash called 3, 1, then 4 to 4 dash, that is called 4, 1, then 5 to 5 dash, that is called 5, 1. Now 1 to 1 dash, that is 1, 1. Now join this 1 to 2, 1 to 5, then 1 to A1. Then dotted line, these points. Then draw these lines. You create the object is this position. Okay. So now this is called the projection of the object at the inclined at a 45 degree centigrade, 45 degree angle. Okay. So first you draw the simple position and you draw the change of position. Okay, change of position method, and you create one of the projection of solids of pentagonal prism. Okay, this size is 25 millimeter side, 50 millimeter height, and the position is simple position. The one of rectangular faces is HP. So the rectangular face is on HP. XY line on the rectangular face on HP. This is the position of front view. Then position of simple position of top view. This is the inclined at VP. Inclined at VP. This position. Then you draw the vertical line. From see this point, you create these objects. Okay, this is the simple problem for the projection of pentagonal prism of side 25 millimeter, height is 55 millimeter, and the angle is 45 degree to VP. This is the position of the projection of solids view. So keep learning of growing. So thank you for your watching. So thank you.